Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay Tinder with gift card. So let's get into the video. So you can open up Tinder and log into your Tinder account. So once I've logged into your Tinder account here, so you can go to the subscription page here, click on it. So select any subscription package that you want, so whatever plan you want, just choose one. So once you've chosen one, hit on continue. So when you hit on continue, this will take you to this payment page here through Google Play. So if you want to use your gift card, simply click on this arrow here to choose different payment options. So if you have a Google gift card, hit on redeem code and then type in the code and then hit on redeem. In that way you'll be able to use your Google gift card, or if you have some other gift cards, then you can choose this credit or debit card option. For example, if you have a Visa gift card, you can plug those details in, hit on save and use this as the payment method and complete the transactions. In that way you'll be able to use whatever gift card you have on for Tinder. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.